Hi all, I am Rabia. This is Curry Culture. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see chicken pasta recipe. This soul-filling recipe of chicken pasta is simple to make with little chicken. Firstly, let's cook the pasta. I am here taking in 250 grams of savory pasta and I am cooking it in 500 ml of water with little salt and 2 teaspoons of oil in order to make it non-sticky. Meanwhile, I am chopping the chicken into small pieces. I am here taking in 200 grams of chicken, which is more than enough for 250 grams of pasta. It requires a little stir here and there while cooking the pasta. Let's check whether it has been cooked. Take care not to overcook the pasta. Yeah, it turned soft. Let's drain it and pour a little cold water over it to avoid the overcooking. I'm here taking in a heavy bottom kadai and pouring 3 tablespoons of oil. Here goes 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. First saute it. You can also replace the ginger garlic paste with finely chopped ginger and garlic. This also gives the nice aroma. I'm adding in 200 grams of finely chopped chicken. Take care of the chicken that it should be boneless. Let's saute this well. The raw smell of the ginger garlic paste has to go and our chicken needs to cook in a half. I'm adding in finely chopped onions. We need to saute it for a while till our onions has to turn soft. Then we can add the finely chopped tomatoes. Here I'm taking 2 tomatoes, finely chopped, and I'm sauteing it well. I'm adding here the salt required for the recipe because adding salt to tomatoes make it saute faster. Let's add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Next goes in the soy sauce. I'm adding in 1 teaspoonful of dark soy sauce. This is completely optional and I'm adding 1 teaspoonful of chili sauce. You can replace the chili sauce with chili powder even. I'm adding here chicken masala from the Shakti brand. You can also use any brand of chicken masala. Take 2 teaspoons full. Next I am adding capsicum. I have taken here 1 green capsicum full. We usually like the crunchiness of the green capsicum, so I am adding it at last. If you like to add it before, you can also do so. If you like, you can also add the boiled green peas now. I don't have green peas now, I'm not adding it in. Next is the coriander leaves. Be generous with the coriander leaves as its flavor gives a nice aroma to our pasta. Here goes 1 tablespoonful of curd. This gives rich taste and tanginess to our pasta. I am adding only 1 tablespoon of curd as I am going to add 2 teaspoons of fresh cream afterwards. Here adding half a tumbler of water. This will be more or less 50 ml to make it a little saucy as it gives a nice coating to our pasta. I am adding in the boiled pasta. Mix gently as retaining the shape of the pasta is also equally important. Our pasta has been coated well with the masala. Finally, I am adding in 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. If you don't have fresh cream, you can add 2 tablespoonful of boiled milk. I am going to close this with a lid and keeping it for 2 minutes make it very tasty to eat. Let's open this after 2 minutes. See, our pasta is completely ready. Let's serve it hot. I'm gonna give this to my little one and see what he says.
காமிக்கிறாங்களா? டேஸ்டி. அம்மா கேசமின்னா நீங்களும் ட்ரை பண்ணி பாருங்க. பை.
He says that his mom's cooking is the best. I thank my God. What else can make me happy? Thank you. Thank you all for watching my video. Meet you in the next video. Bye.